So now that they're connected, I can take a look. What the hell? At least I know that didn't work like that, like. But what the fuck? I'm so lost as to how that's happening, and it's wasting a lot of time. But you know, I have another idea. I mean, I'm gonna try some other stuff. The play isn't working either. The seeking isn't working. Maybe I lost connection with the person. No, I didn't. I don't know. It's like it must be something small that's gonna hit for all of them. And when it does, that'd be great. But I'd like to know sooner rather than later. It's gonna be extremely frustrating. So host a YouTube TV party. Why is this button not doing anything? Like, why is it not doing anything? I've tried so much to, I know it's the kick leave sync thing, but like it's so much to go back and forth mentally. Sending, oh wait, but where was that actual foregrounding of the off screen? Oh, wait a minute, 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 wait a minute. Oh, you can do slash off screen like that, okay. So just want to make sure again. I know I like commented one out or something, but I just want to make sure of what that was. Wait, why do I have it like this? I think this is also annoying me as well. I don't need it like this. I think I'm just tired. Like, why would I write it like this? I think I was just tired as an idiot. Oh, wow. I was just tired as an idiot. If this was the issue, I would laugh so much more. But I don't even think that was the issue. I think that was just part of something else, like deeper, because like the other issues are still there. So, but this just helps you to see that like now it's more fatigued, if anything. Like I'm trying to get through it, but I'm really just really fatigued more. But that's fine. Sometimes that happens. You know. I know I'll sleep good tonight. That's all. There we go. Hold on here. If you don't mind. I had to kind of make sure that this thing stays open. Okay, so I see why that's going on, but then we're gonna go like that. Oh, it died on me. But then I was gonna go off screen. Cool. So therefore we have that, and now I can hit kick. Tabs is not defined. Ooh, I fucked up so hard somewhere. Why is it like this? Why did I do it like this? Why did I do it like this? Oh my god, why did I do it like this? Now we know. I highly doubt, I feel like there's more here than this, but like, I'm just gonna go like that and try one more time. From scratch. Remove. Go like this. Just staring at the screen so much. Trying to get it done. Trying to get her done. Still getting destroyed on. Oh my gosh. Oh, at least I got an error, thank goodness. No matching signature. I don't know what that means, but all I know is that I just gotta fix that. So I'm happy. Whatever that means, I gotta fix it. Oh my god. Dude. Chill the F out. Like, read first. Just get her done. That's. I'm not even hungry. I'm just more excited to get this done. Ooh. Teeth start hurting out of nowhere randomly. That's weird. Nice! Yes, we are finally good. We're finally good. Now, if I just go like this, join again, sign up. This is the only one left where I'm like, if we could fix this up by the 5 mark, then we have 3 hours to do the little tab thing. I mean, the little switch, and then we'd be good. Let's see if we can do it. Let's see if we can do it. Come on, come on. The video has been played, the video has been paused, but I'm not getting anything though. That's the thing. And this shouldn't have to be played or anything, but I'm gonna leave this up, see if I get anything in, not app, but instead off screen. That's like the best to do. And ooh, sending message to peer, pause time and everything. So it should be coming in and intercepting in. Yeah, I see it going for off screen. I don't see any issues. It's like both of them are sending out really good information. So I don't see why I'm not being able to manipulate the browser on this. Not getting anything on this side here. Let me see if I should. That's a little weird, but oh yeah. Well, like, can't you get it from the requested backend of the service, which would then ask this? I'll figure that out. But I don't even care about that. I would still push this out just as long as it worked with the basics. I'd call it a day. So what are we looking for? Oh yeah, we're looking for inspect. We're gonna put it on the screen instead, so I can kind of see. It's not like there was anyone in chat, so I'm just gonna take one of the screens for chat for right now. And if anyone's around, I hope you don't mind. As I'm trying to make sure I can get this to work properly. So let's try this again. Oh, this is actually working. We're getting information back. We're just not manipulating the DOM on any part of the peer. That's the only thing. if we were able to manipulate the DOM, then we're good. But I actually see it. It's coming in on off-screen 132. That's crazy. Like, it actually is all the way connecting through, which means it could be something completely small. But because I was busy with so many other things, with that one other issue, it kind of just threw me off. Because the event is working. Oh, it's not stringified. That's the issue. The data is not like parsed. You know what I mean? It's coming in like this, like with the lines on it and everything. Guarantee if I fix that, that's gonna fix the issue. But I don't really know the source of where that's coming from. I just know that I'm like a pretty lazy person. But I know that the message is supposed to be when I hit play or pause. So let's go to peer controls and just like do some basic stuff. So like if we hit play or pause. Oh no, this is the reversal. We need the detectors. Yeah, here we go. The detectors. Well, it's saying action and then it's saying pause and then it's doing this. Maybe we shouldn't do this. I mean, it's either that or it's somewhere else, so it's either one or the other. So when we do handle incoming message from peer, what the heck? Oh, is this going straight to offload? Oh yeah, you can go straight to offload depending on the situation. So it's going from peer, and then it's saying message from peer, and then the message event. Oh, then it's saying message. I think that's what's going on. I can't tell. Because then it just will actually go to the function. I'm pretty sure that's what it will do. But for the specific person, it'll send it as that specific person, essentially. And then it will return in for everyone else, like this. So it's the same thing, but just in reverse. And we're getting in the play, and it's gonna say message action, but I don't really necessarily know. Oh, okay, I was looking at the wrong thing. Message. Is there a message? This is data. Oh, okay, so event data, and then it says, okay, so yeah. Help me find the parsing issue. It goes to that, which then goes to offload. And then I'm so close. Then we do play. Or whichever one we want. Which one did I say I was doing? Oh, pause? Yeah, let's do pause. what section of Thought I heard something outside which kind of freaked me out a little bit, not gonna lie. Wonder why this was stringified twice. But whatever. I mean, I might as well do it to the same side. I'm hearing some weird stuff outside, kind of freaking me out. Unless it's just the dog and he's just getting comfy. In that case, I feel happy. I'd rather it be the dog, but I can never tell. I forget sometimes I still have paranoia from where I used to live. But most of the time when I ever look into whatever is going on here, it turns out that it's absolutely nothing, which feels awesome. I love that. So it's probably absolutely nothing. But most of the time it's animals, you know, actual animals, you know. It's funny stuff. Alright. It works again. Oh, well, I mean, it did work. It worked once. Now the whole thing's not working. Oh, okay. I was like, what the hell? It was working, though. We did see this, right? Extensions, I know. Details, off screen. Go back up. So you received the play command, but you didn't do anything. Did I only do, like, what the heck? It's like, I feel like this happened to me before. But this time it actually does look like the actions are good and everything like that, so it'd have to come from something over here. So, must be something else going on. Okay. Okay, and so then you have your peer controls, which does control play. Cool. Ooh, am I getting errors here? That would be cool to find out. Like, that would make actually more more interesting stuff. No, I'm not receiving any errors at all. That's actually more concerning. Because I'm actually getting back play and pause commands. And seek commands, too. Oh, wait. I actually am getting back some stuff. The provided double value is non-infinite. I feel like this happened before. The provided double value is non-infinite. The provided double value is non-infinite. Has a finite number. Before sending it. Wait a minute, but the pause though, let's see. That's weird. This can't be it. let's clear it all. Let's see if that really was the issue. Because I'd be kind of shocked. The provided double value is non-infinite. I mean, is non-finite. What was I giving them? This doesn't make sense. Oh. Wait a minute. Did I just not bring in the call for this? I wonder how it worked the first time. Like, if I'm right, I'd be so shocked. I'm like, what? How did that work? But I mean, like I'm not gonna concern myself with that. I have more things. I have other things to do. This time I'm just gonna go ahead and refresh this thing. Then I'm gonna go back to this. Yeah, I lost connection when you do that, but it like completely guts the whole thing. It's super stupid. But that's fine, because we'll get this going a little bit better. Oop, just being an idiot. My brain just kind of farting, like really bad, out of nowhere. Or like usual. It all depends. Leave me alone. Don't judge me. Okay, so now we have this again. We're gonna pause. Cool. We're gonna hit play. It works. And what about seeking? Seeking works. It's a little different, but probably because commercials are different for people. Yeah, commercials are different for people. That's nuts. So when you seek, each person gets like their own set of commercials. But if you go here, oh wow, man, this works. It works. We're back to the point with about 50 minutes to spare, at least on what I wanted to do to get back to where I was kind of at. So now everything is good. We're good. We're good, right? Let's pause it and also pause the timer. I wasn't even paying attention. I already have it. But we need to change the state of the app. So is that all I have to do? I mean, that's all I could do, and then I can get the app state and then finish up. I mean, I don't see why not. I'm just trying to make sure that that's like if that's the case, I'll leave it as a different state. I wonder why it stopped working. Usually that's supposed to work. I wonder what's going on. How did this stop working? Oh, it's not even hitting this like it was before. Oh, something must have happened. Trying to figure out what the heck happened here. Like, I already knew of that, but the other one didn't make any sense, because I'm like, why is this not working? That's actually a bigger problem. I can't even play any music and get into the flow of things. It was working. It's weird because I wasn't getting anything that shows an issue. Oh. Was there some sort of connectional issue? Oh no, receive play command. Could not establish connection. Receiving end does not exist. Receive play command. Did I not like refresh this at the right time or whatever? Because you know how this thing be sometimes. No. No, I'm not getting anything. Huh. Let's see. It is connected though. Change. Yeah, it's at the change one. But then, yeah. What do you do from this? I'm just trying to figure out how that just stopped working. App state updated. It has my new information too. And it says change too. We can leave the party. Let's leave the party. I don't understand why this is happening now. It's like always every time I start up something like fresh, it like decides to go backward, which is a waste of time. But I'm thinking that there was something else going on. But I'd rather make sure that it works at least in some sort of manner, shape, or form. Get it out there and then worry about it later. Oh, that was interesting. That looked like it worked. The video is undefined because the video got piped over wrong. Oh, it tried to bring them over immediately, even though it shouldn't have. Okay. But what was the variable that it tried to bring over? That's the question. I don't think I'd have a history of that unless I already had the stuff saved with like a preservational. But like of the logs, which I didn't. Of course I didn't. But I mean, at least we're making some sort of progress here. But where's Sports Center though? I can head backward though. Can't believe I got hit with that undefined life. That's funny. Yeah, let me leave the party. Leave the party. Can I not go back to Sports Center? Oh, it was this game. That's what it was. I'll figure it out, because it's watch that, but the string of whatever, like, Copilot gave me failed. So, but it looks like I'm in the thick of things, and I always like being in that, and, you know, it helps out mentally. Oh, did I just forget to pipe this? That would make me feel a lot better if it was just that. Like, I just forgot to do that. We could find out real quick. I would rather just remove the whole thing. I think it would be fine if I just refreshed it or updated it, but update it rather, but I don't want to take any chances. Because at least we had something there, but it looked like still there was some sort of other issue with connection and stuff. Like, so, like, I'll have to write up steps and do things like that, but I'll do that, like, maybe in the spare time or whatever. So, So now that we have that, we can try again. Get this going. Go here. Join. Okay, so we're connected. Cool. So if I hit pause, we're good. We're paused at the same time. If I hit play, we're good. Nice. Nice. But what if I then change to this? Oh, that didn't work. But I'm pretty sure that got picked up though. There's no way that it didn't. I want to keep those two going just to make sure to see what's going on. But I don't know why that didn't get picked up. Untagged data not defined, undefined. None of these issues are mine. This is all just stuff from YouTube itself. Oh no, this part's mine. Video ID is not defined. Gotcha. At what, number 39 here? So am I just not dropping it in? I thought for sure I was dropping it in the message from here, from the background here. Because it says video ID and it says this, but it says it's undefined. I must be doing this wrong. I'm looking at the variable. Oh yeah, I'm grabbing the variable wrong. Because it says message.time. And that's how I'm passing it in. Like if I look at the other one, it says control seek, right? And the variable that I'm getting is message, and it's like message time. The variable that I'm adding is time. So so whatever it is should be .video ID. So I guess it would be video ID.video ID, which isn't really good. I should say message.video ID. That should make this easier. Like if I take this, go like this, and then go like that, I'm assuming that should fix that issue. So we'll do that. And this part's always the most tedious. But we want to make sure that it's done accurately and properly. Um, 84 draft. Now let's just make sure they're on the right pages of whatever they're on, because I wanna make sure they're synced at the same time first when I do the test. Everything else is just like filler, you know what I mean? Like, and that's the point. Like I want to get these things done, and then afterward, like, ooh, yeah, I like that. Yeah, it moves it to that, so it kind of gives you an indication. What if I click on this? Pause, sweet, yeah. And then what if I click on this though? Nice. Heck yeah. Heck yes. Oh man, okay. We're good. Let's pause it right here. At this point. Right now what we need to do is, like I said, I think it's through here that I need to do it. So I'm gonna have to do something where it's like the Chrome developer web store. Like login. I forgot what it is. It's, you know what I mean? But I know I can sign in, and I should have my other extension that I made actually on stream, like when I first came here. Oh yeah, I actually do have the authenticator app, thank goodness. I should have the authenticator backed up somewhere just in case it's starting to get really big. But let's see here. Okay, so we got this. And all right, so now that we're in, I don't remember anything about this. Developer dashboard, yeah, that's what I want. Wait, why do I need this? Why do I need to verify my password? I don't remember my password, bro. Like, what? I don't remember that, but I know how to get it, but I'm not going to do that on this here. I'm going to do it off screen here. But yeah, it's always good that I never know my passwords because I try to not know my passwords ever. I only try to know one password, which I consider is the ultimate one, which I think everyone should kind of do. But I mean, like, if that gets compromised, yeah, but I never write that one down. That one's like a combinational one mentally that's just, yeah, a lot. What? No. You're signed in, not now. What? Why are you stopping me from getting to, there we go. Users, 43 users. Oh, dude, no way. I got 43 people using the Google News filter. That's crazy. I can make a new item and then drop the zip inside of here. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is, now that I have this, we're gonna make a new chat GPT and just start like making some items, right? So do Control T, do chat GPT, and we'll want to make some images here. We'll want to make the same ones that were like this. We can also get rid of anything else existing that's not needed at this point, like off screen. I'll copy the privacy policy. So yeah, I'll deal with that later. That's not as important. This is not as important as of yet. I can have those things generated, but yeah. Okay, so good. So off screen. So what was the manifest though? The manifest is what I want. Yeah, so it's just all icon. Google, Google Web Store, trademarks, logos, domain names, or other Google's permission. But I said for Google News before, and I never got any problems for it. So news filter for Google News. I need. Let's see what you get me. 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 Let's see what you generate. What does the audio generate? I may call it Watch Party for YouTube TV for now. Because the other ones sound like a brand name where I would do other ones like, what's it called? Netflix Party. Or called Teleparty or whatever. Okay. Give me an image. Give me a do the image right now. Oh. That's cool. Probably don't want to use that branding though. Let me see. Web store. Man. Cancel YouTube TV. Ah, that's funny. Yeah, I feel like I really do have a thing here, but and then we're gonna take and then we're gonna do background remove. Doesn't that look like Tubi? No, what does that look like? That looks like another icon. take out the back, the red from it. Yeah. I like this a lot. Like this is good right here. And then effects, add shadow. This. I hope it's like that, oh, it's not that side. Well, I mean, this is actually really good. Where's the open in File Explorer? And then we take this, put it here. Okay. So that's one. Let's just see how that works. Where if we now go to here and do manage. I like how it already updates there. What if I refresh? Yeah, but it's so small. That's the problem. How can I make the resolutional size bigger? That's the problem. How do I make the size bigger for this thing? This happened before, where it looks good. It's exactly what I want, but it's not necessarily like sized the way I want. I don't want to shrink it. I just want to try something here. I just want to try something. Oof. I'm fine with that for a bit, and then I don't want to do that part. See, that's the hardest part of this whole thing. Oh, did I pull out the transparency accidentally? They let me just do that, no overwrite, no call. That's crazy. Save as PNG. Let's see. I'm wasting time. I hate when I waste time. I am wasting time trying to find this thing. I feel like I messed up there, but we'll see. And then we'll refresh again. Yeah, it looks better. It's as good as I'm gonna probably get it for now. Yeah, that looks pretty good in my opinion. That looks good. So now we just need to fix up a couple bits of the code, and then we'll make a zip, and then we'll put it up and go from there. So first things first, let's clean up everything, like as far as everything. YouTube version, this is going to be version 1, and instead of, does it have to be called off screen? Off screen, I'm going to call it because there's pure controls .js, but I want to say like more like player controls, and then pure controls. Peer connection, peer connection, peer connection. and then maybe have it in instead of the content service. Oh yeah, content service, and then I'm gonna say off screen. Off screen service, and then go here. This will make it so that now I can actually say something like off screen, and then peer connections, HTML, and then from there, oh, well that was because that was in the root of everything, but in particular we can, that was what the JavaScript was. But you know what? I'm just gonna leave it right here. It's easier to just make sure it's right there. Because before it was calling from right there, and so I'm assuming that this will still work. If not, we'll find out. Because before, then I'll have to do like back and X, Y, and Z. We'll just assume that that works. So off-screen service. So there's that. Status. I'm fine with this for now. I'm not really going to worry about necessarily all of this. I'm going to say then peer controls. We're pretty much good. And then the background. I'm going to call this background service though. So everything is a service. And then status though, I don't like that though, but where were we getting our stuff from? Was that in the manifest where it says background? We're gonna say background service here. Just have the same type of conventional wording. Background service. So now we have background service. We have content service, and for this, what do I want to call this? Well, this is app.js, and then JS status. So instead, I'm gonna call this DOM extension extension JS. Popup, popup, source, yeah. Then I just go like this. Sweet. Now everything kind of seems like as if it should go correctly. We have our notes, our policy, and then the remove article. We don't even need that. Good. Okay, so then we should probably make a get ignore for the notes in particular. Dot get ignore. And we're gonna say something like notes.md. We'll probably also want to initialize get. Get init, and there we go. So now we have everything pretty much almost getting ready here. Manifest privacy policy. So the privacy policy is what we want. Thank you for choosing the privacy policy. We're gonna update this to 12. Thank you for using. I'm gonna try to help it the AI to see what I'm trying to do here. To use the YouTube TV. Okay. Read. Do I have a GitHub for this yet? I don't. Do I? That's the thing. I think I do. And we did that like 24 working hours ago. Oh, people are still looking into that. I gotta work on that project. Maybe I'll start to do that on stream again, and kind of figure that whole thing out. But yeah, I've been super busy with this. So it's gonna be called YouTubeTV Party. Okay. Now. Okay. Yeah, I'm like, I need that in Markdown. Did I just break you? I think I broke that shit. You can see how like the whole window just completely messed up. No, stop doing that. Stop doing that. No, 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 no. Stop doing that. Just give me what I'm looking for. So I can copy and paste and edit or whatever you say, bro. And read through it properly. There we go. I should have asked for Markdown. Oh, it broke. But that's okay. I can take care of it. As long as we have something. Something to start with. Actually, I should have used this, and then what I'm going to do is write down it in a whole different section. This will allow me to like basically use the two correctly. Because I don't think I even use, yeah, get clone. Oh yeah, and that's not even the right like repo name, so I'm happy I checked that. I don't know why he decided to do that. That's the weird part. CRL. Yeah, now it's in the, it's Markdown. Yeah, I'm like, stop being weird on me. Load. Okay, so My fingers are just butterfingering right now. Oh, so yeah, I should probably do like features. Oh, I wouldn't say perfectly. Sync, play, pause, and channel. Intuitive controls for no built-in chat. Get the F out of here. There we go. Upcoming features. So what other features would I say would be with this in particular? What else would there be? Something that I could think about that I would want to do? Oh, I'm like stuck on words. What? Oh, did it just break because it needs to be refreshed? I'd laugh. Yeah, it seems like it's just because it needs to refresh completely. What? I would laugh so hard. What just happened? I didn't do that much. I don't think I did. But then again, I could see myself doing something small, stupid. Oh, this isn't pure. Okay, we can fix that in a bit. I'm not really necessarily caring about that. I'm doing too many things at once. But yeah. I guess that's to give the. So yeah, I'm like not gonna stay on that. Instead, I'm gonna go backward, remove that, and then go back, load, and then this. Then let's see what happens now with this going on. We still aren't getting anything. This is actually fine by me. I'm not too worried because file change stuff is usually an easy thing. Yeah, it's looking for status. Status.js. It's looking in the wrong place. But why is it looking for status? Like what told it to look there? That's what I need to figure out. What about the other stuff? Like surely the other stuff isn't like destroyed, right? Or it's like can't find any of my other stuff, right? Like looks like my other stuff is there. So not sure what the heck is going on here. We can go to off screen. Oh well, off screen pure connection shows in the test shows servers worker. So very weird, bruh. But whatever. I mean, I'm not too worried about it because I know it's something. It has to be something super small. But I'm still not getting any issue off of it, like or error. What the hell? So failed to load resource not found. Is this before I even hit status? Is this just on load up? Popup RC status JS should be there. That's super weird to me because it's definitely there. Like I didn't do anything crazy. I just changed it from JS to popup JS, and even still, like I can look and see what I had it before. Yeah, I had it just as JS. So now that it's in popup JS, there shouldn't be any problems. Besides, what was it before? It was like, yeah, it was like that. So, unless they like spelled it wrong, but I don't think so. Yeah, I don't think so. So, status JS is there. But what else is missing? App.js? We could just say app.js. See what happens on this. Meanwhile, let's go back to this. Okay, yeah. Okay. So that does that. We'll finish this contributing. And then from this we will, what was it, list. Okay. Oh. And then I can do preview on the side. There we go. Ugh. Okay, so we're pretty much getting there. We're almost there. The only thing we got to figure out is why the heck this is starting to happen here for this. That's something that I wasn't expecting. I'm looking for everything else and I don't see any issues, which is still the bigger problem for me. Yeah, because status, oh. Yeah, that's a problem. Yeah. Status. .js, got it. That was the problem. Now I feel better about that. That makes sense. So now we do update. We go here. There we go, and we got our code going and everything like that. So we'll do one more test like beforehand, and then we're not going to touch it, and then you're just going to upload from right here. But other than that, we're looking good, guys. You're looking good. Let's try to find as many errors that we can, and then go from there. Oh, and then the backgrounder as well. The backgrounder, because yeah, I was an idiot. This looked good, but now I need to do the one that I have. Copy to clip and do this new one. There we go. Okay. Let's see here. So now that I have all of that, we can do the refresh again. Yeah, that looks better. It looks better, like way better. We can make these red, you know, kind of make it like YouTube TV a little bit better. Like the buttons don't have to be blue. So it's just I don't remember what the color is that's kind of dictating this. Oh, instead we can do like that instead. Ooh, remove button. I don't know. I'll leave it. Whatever. It's the worst that can happen. Yo, now we're talking. Now we're talking, right? Just was able to get this all done. Ooh, looking clean, looking clean. But let's keep going. Let's keep going. Like we can gloat later when we're done. We need to continue looking at errors and finding issues, and then writing down every single issue that we can, and then having that as like an issues MD or something like that that we can do. So notes. Yeah, I'll figure that out later. But let's at least find an issue first before we start writing stuff. Because there was one issue that I saw that I was like, we could try to figure out right now if we want. If it's too hairball-y, then we can't do it, and we'll go up until the 27 mark, just to kind of clean up stuff. So here we'll go in. Yeah, we definitely want to manage extension, update this thing. Okay. So now we're pretty good. And so first thing we'll do is have it so like we'll go here, we'll host a party here, we'll join one, okay. But if I refresh, then that happens. So that's like one of the issues. But I'm still wondering if that was a development issue or not. You know what I'm saying? Because what a person I don't think would have that issue, where they wouldn't be connected. Oh, what? I just lost the ability to kick someone. That's not good. That's not a good sign. I mean, at least it kills for you, but like... I don't know why that didn't work, but we'll find out right now. So there was like 2 issues that I can bring up. But like that first one I can't tell, because I can't tell if that was just me in a development sense. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, you're already there. So great. But kicking you didn't seem to work anymore. I don't like how when I kicked, I didn't see anything. Let's try to fix that at least. See what's going on. I'm not gonna write that down as an issue. Also, we can get rid of all of this code. I have like so many extra backup files that I was using to kind of verify everything that I was doing. But now that we're kind of at a point where like all right, so did I? Oh yeah, that's because I left this thing. But that was still the weirdest part of everything. So hold on, I'm clearing the console. I'm gonna leave the party, right? And like we can do a full test of everything, because I'm not gonna touch the extension at this point. Like I'm gonna act like right now everything is good. We have our extension. This is what it is, right? So actually, I'm gonna go like this. Better yet, I'm gonna go like this. And so now we're fresh, right? We go to YouTubeTV. I'm the host. I call up my friend, right? I'm gonna do different situations, but we're already on YouTubeTV, and we're like, oh, let's sync up together to make sure that we watching the same thing, or I'll like be able to pause your thing if you're busy, whatever, right? So I call him up. I send him my code, right? I wait for him to put it into joining me. He gives me back his code. We submit, we're connected, and then that happens. That's how you know it works properly from that, right? So that's how it's working. Everything's working good. What happens if I try to kick? I should have saved what happened there. Let me see here. User has been kicked from sync out. App state is wiped. Kicking user from sync. But it didn't see that, or what? That's an issue. Hold on, I forgot. I need to actually check one other thing. I need to go to manage extensions. And then go here, yeah, and then that should help me to know whether or not there was anything else. So disconnecting party, sending kick leave party update. So this should have gotten it. I don't know why the kick isn't working. Received channel status update from background. Nothing happened here. But the play and pause were working though, right? Like, so. Okay, so let's leave the party. I love how it's back to blue. Oh yeah, when you leave, yeah. When you leave, we gotta change that back. Anyway, so that's another fix. Yeah, when I do the kick leave, it should got you. So what is that? That's in the pop-up and the status, and then from there, when you're doing the kick leave, it should be the button goes back. to normal. That's all. Oh yeah, gray. Oh yeah, that's the thing that we gotta deal with. So it's funny. Okay, just want to make sure they were the same. And okay, so we fixed that. That wasn't a big deal anyway. But let's go back to hosting, join. What the hell? Dude in the back. Alright, so if I hit pause, we're good. You can see the pause happen. You can see the play happen. Great. Now what we need to do is ensure that the information that we're getting from not the pop-up, even though it's nice to see that, it's nice to see it from the pop-up, but it's also nice to see it from here specifically, which is the I don't know what it's called, the DOMS whatever version. So now if I'm here, I hit pause, hit play, it works, cool, right? Now if I hit this, app HTML is not open. No, the message port closed before the response was received. Okay, so I'm obviously having some sort of issue with that. Let's do a reversal of them. Just curious. I'm just curious if I do a reverse, if the same thing will happen. Yeah, it didn't work. But that didn't work either, which means on both sides it's not working anymore. I should have actually seen that. Oh, but yeah, I think it's still background 206 that's having that issue. So happy I double checked this. Because we have time to do it, so app was not open. The message port was closed beforehand. This was okay, so status 71. Status 71. User has been kicked from the sync. Oh, that's when you're starting to trigger this, right? So, and that's if you're getting the message directly from the other side, right? So, oh, you only get it from here. Gotcha, which means it has to be piped from a different place, which means you're getting it from kick leave party update, which means that it's coming from a different place, which is most likely the content. No, the off screen? Yeah. So in the disconnect party, we do this. Oh, we want to probably await this. Wait, is that what it is? We probably want to await it, I'm assuming, because it's having an issue where it's saying user has been kicked from the sync. I know that there was two things you have to do. Remove detect video off screen. Oh, I don't care about that. That's not what I cared about. I cared about the kick. So once you get the kick. Oh, but it says kicked from party or no? Kicked from party. Oh no, I've never seen kicked from party. I've never seen kicked from party. Or user left the party. I've never seen those two states ever. That's actually extremely helpful for me to know, which means that this is not sending the message over for kick or leave, which goes back to status. We go down to status. It's either status or app. We could check out app too as well. But I don't think it's this. Where in the world is that button? It's like an event listener. Yeah, kick and disconnect. This is the one. This has to be it. Yeah, this is it right here. And which means it's this section of stuff right here. So you do the incoming message, where you do kick. Kick message sent successfully. Should be the one. Huh. Kick message sent successfully. Kicking user from sync. This is weird because it's like, okay, so I'm gonna put in something else. This will help me to track it a little bit better. We'll clear the consoles out. Well, actually, I don't even need to do that because I'm actually gonna refresh everything. And if I can find it. And so we'll manage, update, manage, update. We'll refresh this. We will refresh this. That's the thing. We have to like make sure that we definitely do the refreshes on those. Like act like as if we just got it. And then from there. Oh, it's still connecting. Oh, yeah. I was gonna say. Okay. So now don't get too ahead of yourself. I was just about to get ahead of myself. It's like literally like, ooh, great. Let's just hit the button. Sometimes that happens when you're doing stuff so much that like it becomes a little bit monotonous. And so you start to kind of fade out mentally. Yep, it never even hit the other side. So let's see here. So sending app channel state, kicking user and disconnecting, incoming message kick. From peer A, I'm assuming. Let's see, hold on. So then we have background 02, which would make sense. Because we're sending incoming message. And then it says sending in, I should say from instead of to. It's always annoying to look at in the code. But looking at to, and I mean from peer A. And then it'll say kick message sent successfully. Got it. Disconnect never gets done successfully. Disconnecting from party, which means it goes from the foreground, and this is from me. This is like essentially for me as an individual. But it doesn't make sense because the other side doesn't ever get the message. So regardless of the other side, like the other stuff, we should actually focus more on the fact that this isn't getting the message. It just says, I was just like, oh yeah, let's blah, blah, blah. But then it says sending message from here. Then it says kick message sent successfully. But it has nothing else. And that should never be the case. I don't think so. In that case, we should be going to off screen. Yeah, it should hit here. And then it should say sending message to okay. Oh, yeah. This isn't off screen. That's right. This isn't off screen. So I'm not getting all the actual details of what's going on. That's the problem. We need to click on this to get the actual details of what's going on. So let's try this again. I had to think about that for a second. I was like, what the heck? Okay, so yeah, sending message to there. Then we have, so the console log is coming here. We have it at number 25. Yeah, 25. That's so weird. And then it says disconnecting party at number 54. But like, we don't have anything else for this right here. I would have thought that this would have been where it says action and then kick. But, oh, am I looping it by accident or something? No, it shouldn't be like that. It should say kicked from party. But I don't see that where it says user left the party. But that's because, again, that message, oh yeah, well, you're just sending the message. It doesn't actually do anything here on your side. I forget this. So the max you would have is that, and then it goes over to number 54 out of nowhere. Oh, well, that would make sense from here. Where it's like kick message sent successfully. Then we have it go and then do this. So we have disconnecting party. And then they go like that. And then it goes over to off screen. Which actually should be the call for it directly. That's why I'm getting that. But even still, the goal or the issue was that it wasn't sending the message. Like, even if that was the case, the other ones are sending the message though, right? So like, how is this not sending the message? Event from peer, I should put that message event from peer like a billion times over. But I highly doubt, this is just kind of making it feel like as if it never gets the action for this. Which doesn't make any sense in reality. We have 4 times that it comes up, and all of them come from this section here. We do see that it is sending the message where it says this. Actually, I'm just so much more curious. Oh, that's the issue. I don't know why, but I found it. I don't know what that is, but I found it. Because you could see it here. I'll show it to you. I was looking in another place just to kind of have more space. I don't know what the issue is directly, but if you look at like this one, this is how it's supposed to be. However, if you look at this one here, it's like not the same. It is the same, but it's not the same. It's maybe not stringified or something like that. Maybe that's the case. Maybe it's not like message stringified or something. We'll need to look at what the peer controls do at their like source of everything to see what their goal is. Because if I like, it's event detectors. Where are the detectors? Here we go. Handle incoming message from peer, and it's stringified. Maybe that's the issue. The information's not being stringified for the kick. Yeah, but I already forgot where the kick is coming from. Like, where does the actual call for the kick happen? Because there's so much always going on with this thing. It's status. It's this one. It's incoming message. There we go. Fixed it. Figured it out rather. This is the issue. We have to do stringify whatever. Stringify. Pretty sure that's the issue. that was causing everything. Probably had no clue of what the heck to do at all. So like, yeah, update, refresh the whole thing, refresh the whole thing, get yourself up and connected, get yourself up and connected. Sweet. Yep. It'll bring you over. Now you're connected. Now we're connected together. Fixed it. Cool. That's one fix out of nowhere that we got done. Let's go for another fix that I noticed. It's something where I should, like, if you're a host, like the what do you call it? Not the host or something like that. You need to. Oh wait, I'm being an idiot. I should also like put in better indicators of if you're wrong or not. Like if it's an error or something like that, because like these should be causing an error. Okay. I'll figure that out in a bit, where I can like kind of like have a little message window where it's like you didn't do this right or that right or whatever. Oof. Okay, so now that I have that done, what was I just doing? Oh yeah, this is the other thing. So if it go like that and then go like this, you can't get the information back. But if I go like this, for me, I always pull the information on startup. So that's something that I need to do. Hopefully I can figure that out really quickly. I'm assuming that's in the app.js. When you check the app state, so then you do status window, handle data channel open, I'm pretty sure. And then I feel like if you are the host, you do the sync. If you're not the host, you request the sync. Or should I just always do the sync refresh foreground? But if he's not up, then it doesn't work. Not that I know of. I think that's the bigger problem that I was seeing. Pure controls, off screen. So yeah, we're doing this. This is if you're the leader, right? Because if not, then you have to basically request this information off of. You have to basically make a request for it. Like sync, refresh, request. To ding this off of on the other side. If that makes sense. Because this information, yeah, it's good. So it's like, yeah, then update if is host. I'm just trying to check. Chrome message, get app state, update channel. Channel template. Yeah, I'm gonna switch that. I'm gonna switch this for the sync refresh, because if I I'd rather because if the person's not up, that's gonna cause an issue. If you make the request, I could make an if statement around it as well, where like if that's the case, then yeah. But I'd rather just work around a potential issue by not even dealing with it right now, and because I don't know that in particular. So we need to make a request. The foreground one makes sense when you are the leader. Where the hell is this thing? Okay, yeah. So when you're the leader, like, yes. If you're not the leader, you need to make a request. So data channel open. And then else. I am the guest. Foreground. Request. This makes it so that now I can actually make an incoming message. Actually, this wouldn't be like this. It wouldn't be like this. It would be close like this, but it wouldn't be like this. Where's the one that I need? Is it all the way at the bottom of this? I need the incoming message one, yeah, where it's like stringified. This is the one I actually need. Send message async. And then for the peer controls, when the user gets the information on their side. Where is it? Oh, it's off screen. It's off screen. Off screen service, so I thought I called this peer controls accidentally. Oh. Weird, I must have messed up the naming there. Oh well, it doesn't matter. Let's continue on. I'm like slowing down because I'm like lost a little again. I know what I'm needing to do. I need to do the thing in reverse, this in reverse. So I'm trying to get to the freaking, stop going there. It's like this, it's this. Sending message through peer B to this. We go here. We don't need the event check like that anymore. We only want one. And what we'll do is if it's action, they're all actions, right? If else message stats. So I'm not going to say kick. I'm going to say if else. Actually, I do like the idea of it first being like this. It's weird. I'm gonna put else if here to start. Else if, and then I'm gonna put if this, but I'm gonna say instead if this, and this is from the guest, then we can go ahead and make a request for it. Is this actually here? Oh. Is it? Oh. Oh, I didn't realize that was right here. That's cool. Then this would actually happen, which would then send the message through peer A after getting the leader status information from that side. So that should fix this issue by making that request happen. Let's see it in action. Updates. Kick yourself, and probably want to refresh just in case it's being weird. And then host. Okay, now what was it doing? Oh yeah. So if I go like this, sweet. The information like stays. What? That's awesome. The other person could just check on their side. We fixed it before we even were able to actually have to write anything on it. That's what I'm talking about. Oh man, let's pause everything right now. Let's work on it, and then from there we'll pause out, take like one break or whatever, and then from there we'll actually take care of the Google stuff. I mean like Google stuff. The Google, like actually putting the Google extension up on the store and putting it on GitHub so that it's available for everyone, and doing the final refactors and stuff. So so we can kick. We should have kicked, yeah, here. So what am I doing here? I am doing what? Oh yeah, so yeah, this is the one thing I wanted to do. So we want to make it so that if there's an error for some reason, then it's like it only works if it's the right code, but I don't get anything back from submit answer, which I don't like. So event listener, if answer code. Oh yeah, so we should probably put an alert or something like that. Alert div. Okay, so we'll go like this. Copy this over. Go like this. Specifically here. There we go. Wait, what? This don't seem like as if I would... That doesn't seem right, but I mean, I'm not really caring. But I don't think that's correct. Like, I don't think any of that was correct. You know? But I can't really blame it because I'm just like, just give me the code. Reloaded. Yay, finally getting an error though. But wait, where did I do that though? App 39. Yeah, that's not a thing. Yeah, that's not what I was expecting. Oh, I'd have to get a message back. Then yeah, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that. Oh yeah, I'm not gonna do that. Because you'd have to do a bit. I mean, like, maybe it depends on how fast I can freaking find this thing. And then Set the answer for peer A. Failed to parse. That's what I was expecting. So yeah, that other code was like completely wrong and then like obfuscated the actual problem. Where the fuck did I? Yeah. Let's see. Coded is not correctly. Invalid character failed to execute is not coded correctly. App number 36. I'm gonna say. At 43. But Sure, that's fine by me. Okay, so what are we looking for? So failed to decode that, but that wasn't the one I was looking for the error. It was the one that's sent after. Over to off screen. Remote answer. But I never get remote. Oh, yeah. Now I get it. Now I get what's going on. Now I get it. Bet you 500 bucks. Like, yeah. We can probably get this done within 15 minutes or so if we can. And then we're done with this. So... Yep. SDP answer. Yeah, SDP is the issue. So we'll say fail to parse, and then we'll say send. Wait, what is send message to app? Sending message to HTML app. Oh, that's if it's open. Oh yeah, well it would be open though. So it would be. Send message to app, but that wasn't the one. Oh yeah, send message. Wait, send message to app though isn't in here though. Yeah, you can't be using that. What the hell? I was like, I have that. I'm about to be hella shocked. Yeah, we'll try it directly on here. If not, then we'll just do the middleman. But I'm pretty sure I can just talk directly to it. Pretty sure. We'll remember number 80 and we'll go back. We'll just want to double check if there's any stuff that is like here. Ooh, that's not a good hope. That's not good hope either. That is not good hope. Ooh, that is proving the points that, yeah, you can't do that. So, like, we're going to say instead of that, we're going to say wrong answer code. Okay, and so then you can go into the background JS, and then there's a lot here with this, but yeah. Now I can actually do the same type of thing that's used here, where, for example, you go like this, and then it says send message to app. Oh, okay, cool. We'll just add it here. Case wrong answer code off screen. Wrong answer code. And then send message to app. Wrong answer code. And then that is the type, right? Yeah, type is wrong answer code. Wrong answer code. Okay, so I hope that that actually solves and gives me some sort of error correcting. Why does this always happen where I don't have another window? Did I delete this? Like, what the hell is going on with the one window that I have? Oh, okay. This happens way too much. I'm like, what the freak is going on? Oh, I didn't need to do that with this, but yeah, I can just want to. That didn't seem to work. Unknown message type. Background 199. Did I not save background? $199. $199. It's saying unknown message type. But that's definitely, unless I wrote it wrong. No, that's definitely it. That's not possible. This means it wasn't updated. That's the only thing that would make sense. Looking through it now. Incoming message, handle data. Where's the wrong? Yeah, wrong answer code. Wrong answer code off screen. Unless I forgot to like add in a break or something. Yep, forgot to add in a break. That's what did it. I was like, what the hell is going on? Update now if we try this again. Still nothing. It's still saying that even though I thought I fixed it. Wrong answer code off screen. But we do know that it's updating because the number changed and stuff. But it's still saying wrong answer code off screen. It's saying wrong answer code off screen. Unknown message type. It's reading in that I'm saying wrong answer off screen. Where what the hell? I'm gonna have to ask GPT if something's going on. So of course it's like starting to become rabbit hole-ish, but not too bad in comparison to everything. So I keep getting yeah. I hate typos. What do you mean? I don't see what you're talking about. Fuck what? Fuck that. Fuck that. What do you mean? Why is it? Oh, it's because of this. These? It's because of the matches. Nah. Fuck that. You. Yeah. That's how I view that, bro. I was like, I know it's something small. I know it. I know it. I know it. I know it. Even as I was typing to it, I'm like, this has to be a fucking typo. What the fuck is the... Okay. Yes. Now you actually have to connect properly with the person. So huh. Oh yeah, could have been something like because of the connection and me doing an update or whatever. So I think that was just because of the update part. Nothing more, nothing less. So, oh yeah, and then the extensional updates that I was doing on that as well. So yeah, these need to be refreshed, but for the most part we're good. Let's spend out this another hour like doing some more fixes. So instead off-screen service, we're gonna call that. So we called it peer controls, but I wanted to call this player controls. So let's do this. Peer controls is in the manifest JSON. So I'm gonna say player controls. That just makes more sense. Then I like how it says off screen here. I'm gonna say peer connection. Okay. Now for the background service, to connect to off screen. Peer connection HTML. Okay, so status. And I think we're pretty much good to go. Yeah, we're good to go. There's nothing more else that I need to do here. All I want to do is then just go out here, remove one time just to make sure there's no issues with that, and go to here, manage extensions, go back, remove, here, here, and then pin that sucker, and then go here, and there we go here. Okay, and now we're gonna just try that, but of course we failed because we did something stupid. Or maybe we need to just, no, that wouldn't be the case. This would never be the issue. The issue is something else. The issue is the peer connection. Not found for peer connection JS. Gotcha. It should be though. Oh, that's because I am not smart. Gotcha. So updates. Let's see if the update works. And just go from that. Refresh. Refresh. And then just, yeah, just doing that just simply to kind of fix that up. Cool. We're good here. Now we're set. I can hit pause. Hit play. Okay. If I go to this though, we're gonna, what if we click on this though? Yeah, that works. That shit's fire. Okay, cool. And then the play works. Okay, cool. So we're done here. We can leave, and this should have this left as well. So now we're done with this. We can actually focus on the Chrome store. We can get rid of this, get rid of this, get rid of this, and then just focus on this in GitHub. So I'm pretty excited here, just making sure I clean up everything else. Did I have more than one? Yeah, I had more than one of these running. That's probably what was going on here. The struggle bus over here. Anyway, so GitHub, it is. That's the first thing that we'll want on my repos. Okay. So init, yeah, I already have all of that, so, well, I need to add my stuff though. So we're gonna say git add dot, okay, git commit, finished. Finished under 30 hours. It's already going to be a main. Yeah. Cool. We should be set up now. Noise. Oh yeah, I'm hoping I get that URL. Yeah, but that's nice. So now we're good here. Now, before we can actually relax up, final thing that we'll want to do is go to the Chrome. We were just there. Chrome developer like dev console thing. Oh yeah, so we want to zip up the whole thing. So manifest notes. Privacy policy, our README, the off-screen service, and the icon. And we want to compress the zip file. Watch party. Oh yeah, so yeah, I gotta go to the Chrome store again. Because I want to see what like words are allowed so that I can do the same thing. No, that's not what I was looking for. You're wasting my time. No, not that. Where's the actual like? Oh yeah, I didn't mean that. I meant this. I'm like, you wasted my time. YouTube TV on PC, YouTube TV. So I could just say YouTube TV watch party. YouTube TV watch party. YouTube TV watch. Watch party. So I can do that. Upload. Communication, tools, entertainment, social networking, accessibility on the site. English, I don't really know. The image size is incorrect. What do you mean? Hold on. What are we dealing with now? Do I need another version size? Okay, so then you want to edit, no. There's like the resize button. Rotate, resize and skew, and by a certain amount. 128 pixels. 128 pixels. Okay. Like, yo, annoying. 128. No, 128. Background, no, that's transparent. Don't touch my stuff. There's original resize. Give me my image. Download. Okay, so good. Try again from the downloads. There we go. I don't have any video of it yet. One is required. Ugh. They be really tripping, don't they? They like be forcing me to just do so many things at once in one shot. But that's how I remember it, though. To be honest, it was never like as if that was gonna change, really. Anyway, we can kick and do a refresh anyway. Make sure everything's all the same, you know. Just make it look good, because we're not trying to go super ham on it anyway. Okay. It's like sketch cropped. So now what are we doing? We're saving this. Saving this is another thing. And what are we calling it? Screenshot. Screenshot 1. Man, very annoying. Oh my god. 640 by 4, whatever. Totally 800. 1280. Yeah, I can do so. I'll do 644. No, 1280 800. It's closer. 1280 800. It's like, geez Louise, man. Okay. Additional fields. Homepage URL. So yeah, GitHub. That's obviously on this side. This is okay. We can delete this. Try to get to where issues would be. Okay. Justification for active tab is required. Oh. I mean, yeah, I have all this. Oh, yeah, well, probably just need to save all this. Justification for active tab is required. This can be entered under privacy practices. Oh. Okay, so active tab is required. Active tab permission. What does that exactly do? Oh, okay. So justification for host permission. What is the host permission? user data do you plan to collect? Privacy policy URL. That's what I thought was going on. Where's that one thing? Okay, so what is left? Okay, so we got 3 things left. Justification for scripting is required and storage is required. Storage justification. What does scripting mean? What is the scripting permission? I don't know what to do here. But I'm close. Cool. What else is there? The single purpose description is required. I don't know what you mean by that, so I'm gonna just copy and paste because I haven't seen anything that says that. Oh. Nice. Okay, and that's it. We're done. We are done. We pause it here, and we are done at 26 hours, 36 minutes, and 42 seconds. We are done. Wow. I had about 3 hours or so to spare, and wow, I am hungry. I'm pretty hungry. I have a lot to do though on my side though. I have like some stuff I gotta take care of. I would stay on stream, but I wanna chill with my dog. I want to make some food. I'm starving, and I want to be able to understand basically everything I did just now. I can't believe I finally got it done. It's working. You know, it could always get better. It could always be fixed better. But just being able to get this done in less than 30 hours was a rewarding, fun experience, sometimes not fun, going down rabbit holes. But now at the end of it all, I'd say it was worth it. So, yeah, that's it for me today as far as stream. I'm probably going to relax, watch some TV, make some food, maybe study some math, and call it a day. So, but yeah, till next time, everyone. Till next time.